Yeah, tama po. Mahal po yung sport na triathlon, pero hindi ko sinasabi na pangmayaman lang siya kasi pwede rin gawin siya ng ordinaryong tao. Kami po yung pool na pinag-swimingan namin is malapit lang sa amin, and then pair of running shoes, sa kalsada lang din kami tumatakbo, and then invest one bike, tama yung sinabi ni Coach. With brakes, okay na po yun. Pwede kang magbukang mayaman sa triathlon kasi sobrang daming choices. Dati nung araw wala namang konti lang running shoes, simple lang. Ngayon ang dami na po, lahat ng science pinagsama-sama na. So pwede siyang pinakamayaman, lalo na kung naiinggit ka, pwede yun. Kaya lang kung simple ka lang, pwede rin po. I think the most important part din, discipline. Yeah.
And for me naman, same lang din kay Coach sa sinabi ni Gladys. It doesn't have to look fancy. Your bike, kahit unbranded siya, as long as hindi siya electric tsaka hindi ka mandadaya sa race, okay lang. So, as long as may brakes, running shoes, yun din, ganun din, it doesn't have to be branded. As long as natatakpan yung ilalim ng paa mo, hindi ka masusugatan, you can go out to date, go for a run. So swim, ganun din, like, you can go to the pool kahit once a week if medyo pricey, okay na rin. So, yeah, kahit less muna sa forma, more on just enjoying exercise, enjoying the sport para makatipid and less gastos.
So natapos lang namin with Net25, with Tita Maricel, Epi, Direk Kais. But I think open naman ako, kaya lang syempre marami ng ibang komedyante, marami ng ibang platform for entertainment. So iba-iba lang.